Hi guys, Sam here from A1 Australia, and today we are going to do Retell Lecture. So what I'll do is I'll play a quick recording, okay, for some time. I'll write down some keywords, and after the recording is done, I'll tell you the proper way to do Retell Lecture, what kind of things you should write, how do you actually say them, and whatever template you're using, it doesn't matter, as long as you speak with confidence, okay? So what I'll do is I'll play a recording, and let's see what I get. All right, let's see.
In the digital age, the influence of social media on public opinion is both profound and unprecedented. Platforms like Twitter and Facebook have transformed the landscape of communication, becoming the modern-day town squares where opinions are formed and voiced. First, social media breaks down barriers to information dissemination. It allows for the rapid spread of information, enabling anyone with an internet connection to stay updated on global events. This democratization of information empowers individuals, but it also requires a critical eye to navigate the vast sea of content and distinguish between fact and fiction. Second, social media has a unique power to mobilize. It can unite individuals around causes, as seen in movements like #MeToo, which gained momentum through viral social media campaigns, highlighting issues that may otherwise receive limited attention in traditional media outlets. As we engage with social media, let's be mindful of its power to shape our perceptions and the importance of fostering digital literacy to navigate this new public sphere responsibly.
Okay, so after the recording is done, you get 8 or 9 seconds before your mic turns on, and then you will hear a beep sound. Okay, so the speaker was talking about the digital age of social media. From the lecture, I can hear that public opinions matter a lot, and there are lots of public opinions on social media. The speaker also talks about different platforms like Twitter and Facebook, where the opinions are voiced. From the lecture, I can hear that information dissemination is the rapid spread of information via social media. I also heard that people can stay up to date by reading news on social media, and we should be able to distinguish between fact and fiction. Overall, the speaker concludes by saying that it can unite people like the #MeToo movement, and social media has the power to shape our perceptions. Okay, so yeah, these are some of the keywords that I write, and whenever I'm writing anything, I try putting some keywords and I try connecting them with arrows so I know what they are related with and what actually makes sense. Okay, so yeah, it would be much better if you can pick out phrases. Because phrases would help you speak for longer amounts of time and speak with a little bit more confidence. Second thing is, if you are picking keywords, that is also correct, but try switching it up between keywords and phrases. It would be much better. Keyword would be able to cover much content, and phrases would be able to cover content as well as will help you with your fluency. Okay, so yeah, that is the tip for Retell Lecture. You can use any template that you like. I just blabbered some sentences together. Okay, and guys, the pauses that you take in Describe Image and Retell Lecture, okay, basically these are called filler sounds. So these filler sounds would actually help us get marks, because the AI would think that the person is actually thinking while they're speaking. Okay, so they are not using a template, and that would actually help you a little better. Right, so it would be much better if you're speaking in a natural tone. Don't go too fast, don't go too slow. Speak calmly, speak normally with confidence, and you can use some filler sounds so that the AI does not defer your question to a human expert. All right, so yeah, these are some tips and tricks. But yeah, and if you're looking for coaching for PTE, NAATI or IELTS, there's no better option than A1 Australia. So give us a call on the given number and inquire about our guaranteed coaching. We do have some offers going on. So if you're looking for any coaching or any demo classes, give us a quick call and we'll get you started. My name is Sam. I'll see you guys later.